Connecting a series of radiators can be done with a few clicks. Just go to this dialog under Heating for connecting, supply and return. And as you check or uncheck the options in the dialog, you see the results. So in our case we select these options and just select the elements and press the button. Now the program constructs all situations with all needed fittings according to our settings. Let's see what we got in detail. We'll switch here to wireframe and see that the pipes are within the wall. Selecting a section view shows us the situation and how it was solved. And in a 3D coordination view we see also the results.